Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Calendly with Google Calendar availability syncing, complete guide step by step clearly. To update Calendly with Google Calendar availability syncing, start by logging into your Calendly account. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings by clicking your profile icon in the top right corner. In the account settings menu, locate and select Calendar Connections. Click on the button that says Connect your calendar. A prompt will appear. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already done so. Allow Calendly access to your Google Calendar by clicking Allow when prompted. Once connected, you can choose which Google Calendar to sync with Calendly. Select the calendar that you want to use for availability syncing. After selecting the calendar, return to your Calendly dashboard. Next, click on Availability in the main menu. Under Availability, you will see options for setting your available times. Adjust your availability based on your personal schedule and preferences. You can also customize your availability for specific events if needed. After making your adjustments, it's time to set your event types. Click on the Event Types tab in the main menu. Choose the specific event type you want to edit or create a new one. In the event type settings, adjust the duration and location as necessary. Make sure to review the When Can People Book This Event section. Ensure that your Google Calendar sync settings are reflected in your availability options. Save any changes you've made to the event type. Now, go back to your Google Calendar to check if your busy times are reflected correctly. To ensure everything is working properly, create a test event in your Google Calendar. Check if that event blocks off the time in your Calendly availability. Once you've confirmed that your Google Calendar is properly syncing, you're ready to use Calendly effectively. You can repeat these steps if you ever need to change which Google Calendar is connected or update your availability preferences. Finally, keep in mind to regularly check your settings to ensure they remain aligned with your schedule. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.